Right, today we can talk about determination of formula. We can start by talking about empirical formula. Empirical formula is the simplest whole number ratio of atoms in a compound. A compound containing magnesium, silicon and oxygen contains the following composition by mass. Magnesium 1.82 grams, silicon 1.05 grams, and oxygen 2.4 grams. I'm going to show you how to calculate empirical formula now by using this example on the board. So the first thing you do, you work out number of moles of everything. So if you set it up like that, and you got 1.82 divided by molar mass of magnesium, which is 24.3. Silicon is 1.05 divided by molar mass of silicon is 28.1, and oxygen is 2.4 divided by molar mass of 16. So you need to work out the moles. Once you work out the moles, which gives you for this one here 0.074,897. For the second one, it gives me 0.0373665, and for the third one gives me 0.15. Once you have that, try to keep the numbers as long as possible so it makes a bit of a better calculation, more accurate calculation. You divide by the smallest value. So the smallest value here is this value here. It's the smallest for all of them. So you divide everything by that value. That will be to the same. And that one here. Okay, so then you get a ratio here will be 2. So if you divide, that gives you a ratio of 2 to 1 to 4. Now you have got the ratios now, then you apply for the atom on top. So magnesium is 2, silicon is 1, and oxygen is 4. So the empirical formula of this is magnesium silicon oxide, this is the empirical formula. So that's the basic way of calculating empirical formula. Thank you. Right, now we can work out the determination of molecular mass of a compound. So a compound has composition of carbon 40%, hydrogen 6.67%, and oxygen 53.3%. Altogether makes 100% if you add them up. It says the molecular mass of the compound is 180 grams per mole minus 1. So that's a molar mass. Calculate the molecular formula of this compound. So first thing you do, you have to work out the empirical formula. So you got carbon, you got 40 divided by 12. Hydrogen is 6.67 divided by 1. Oxygen is 53.3 divided by 16. So you work out those calculations. So it'll be 40 divided by 12, which gives you 3.33. Let's put another 3. And then this gives you 6.67, and that one will give you 53.3 divided by 16. Gives you 3.33125. So if you divide all of it by the smallest ones, which is this one here, so that will give you 1 to 2 to 1. So the empirical formula is going to be carbon is going to be 1, hydrogen is going to be 2, and oxygen is going to be 1. So that's your empirical formula. Now we know that the composition, the molecular mass of this compound is 180 grams per mole. So what we do, you work out the molar mass of this. So carbon is 12 plus 2 plus 16, which equals to 30. So to work out the molecular mass of this, you take the value they give it to you here, which is 180 divided by 30, which gives you 660. Gives you 6. That means your molecular mass is 6 times bigger than empirical formula. So molecular formula is 6 times bigger than the molecular empirical formula. So you take your empirical formula, multiply by 6. So your molecular formula is going to be C6H12O6. So that's your molecular formula calculation explained. Hope that helps. Thank you so much.